great giveaway, and it's coming soon. We're talking about the big bucks right here.
Pick a pack.
What a happy feeling.
Yeah, Juicy Fruit.
What a happy flavor. Let's pick a pack of Juicy Fruit gum. Let's pick a pack from the Juicy Fruit tree.
Come on.
The flavor's so good,
Yeah.
you gotta get some.
Come on.
Just pick a pack and you'll see.
Pick a pack.
What a happy feeling.
Yeah, Juicy Fruit.
What a happy flavor. It'll make you smile.
What a happy feeling.
Pick a yellow pack.
What a happy flavor.
Brighten up your day.
So delicious.
Brighten up your day. Chewing Juicy Fruit. Open a pack of Juicy Fruit gum. Chew it and let all the flavor come through. Pick a bright yellow pack of Juicy Fruit gum.
Come on.
And let it happen to you.
Pick a pack.
What a happy feeling.
Yeah, Juicy Fruit. Nice sweet taste, Jay.
So I said to her, baby, you are beautiful. Would you like to boogie with me? And she said, yeah. Oh, we got down Love Machine of Miracles.
It's the love machine.
KHJ. Miracles and a Love Machine Gun Kelly at 3:51 this week, January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It is B.J. Thomas at Knott's Berry Farm, man. You go down there here and sing his big hit. Hey, won't you play another somebody done somebody wrong song? He'll do a better job than that. And his latest, Help Me Make It to the Rocking Chair. Remember, B.J. Thomas this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at Knott's Berry Farm. Come on out there, man. Who is that farm built for?
You. I said you.
Yeah, me.
You, my friends, are in for the time of your lives, because Knott's Berry Farm's old-time adventures are waiting for you.
They're new.
I say there's a whole new park going on.
There's a whole new park going on.
I'll speak frankly, my friends, at Knott's Brand New, there's lots to do.
There's a whole new park going on. There's a whole new park going on.
There's new thrills and rides and thrills waiting for you at Knott's Berry Farm.
There's a whole new park going on. Nice sweet taste, Jay.
All right, baby. Drop all your socks. Kiss your knees goodbye. Bend over. Let's take it on home. It's Rolling Stone. KHJ and the BITCH are Rolling Stones. And Machine Gun Kelly feeling real good. Hope you are too. 3:56.
Say, are you a Lafayette salesman?
Yes, I'm a Lafayette salesman and proud of it.
Good.
Now, what can we do for you here at this wonderful Lafayette Radio Electronics store?
Well, I have 2 ears.
Oh, well, that's nice. Are they your own?
Yeah, of course they're my own.
Uh-huh.
You see, I love my ears.
Oh, well, they are kind of cute.
See, and I want to buy them a present. Any suggestions?
Well, how about this Lafayette LSC 15B stereo phono system? It's only $39.95, has 2 separate wide-range speaker systems, a solid-state amplifier with volume controls for each stereo channel, plays 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM records, and best of all, comes with its own stereo headphones.
For my ears. For my ears.
That's right.
I don't believe my eyes.
You're right.
Headphones for my ears.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to throw him a surprise party.
Electronically speaking, who knows better than Lafayette?
Ralph's, the supermarket. That's right, Ralph's, the supermarket is out to make you switch for super selection, super quality, and super people too.
Nice sweet taste, Jay.
Charlie Van Dyke, man, he's got a girlfriend now, and that's the only place he can take her to satisfy her for lunch is Ralph's, you know. Start with aisle number 3 and just work her way down to the checkout counter.
KHJ, Los Angeles, America's #1 music station.
KHJ with a gunner. Let's do it the way you like it. Come on in there, KC. KHJ, and that's the way, I like it. KC and the Sunshine Band at 405 with Machine Gun Kelly.
Get some music in your life from Pacific Stereo.
Hey, if you didn't get those hi-fi components you had at the top of your Christmas list, no problem. Pacific Stereo's having a year-end sale so you can get them now. And save some big money. A Pioneer 434 AM/FM stereo receiver packs a lot of punch. And it's on sale for just $158, $92 off. Looking for a turntable? A Sony 5520 belt-driven single-play turntable is on sale for $127. Save 63 bills. There's more. TIAC A400 front-loading Dolby cassette deck is just $235. Save $94. And if you've been needing a portable cassette recorder, check out the Sony 66 with AC adapter, just $49.
Get some life in your music and some music in your life from Pacific Stereo.
You'll find them at Downey, Anaheim, and Pomona.
Time passes, love grows, and already another year is behind us.
January, February, March, April.
A year of people and events, cycles begun and cycles completed, and mostly a year of music. Listen New Year's Eve. Bring back a year of memories. Remember, with the top 100 of 1975 here on KHJ.
KHJ, Elton John, Island Girl, 411 with the Gunners.
Being close together is so natural. There had to be a natural way to stay fresh when you're close. Now there is. New Arm & Arm, the first spray deodorant with baking soda. Arm & Arm gives gentle deodorant protection without harsh chemicals. It can't sting or stain or clog pores. New Arm & Arm by Helene Curtis, the first spray deodorant with baking soda.
You and me, babe. You and me, arm in arm, naturally, baby.
Right now at Thrifty.
For years, people all over the country have been writing to Eveready with true stories of how the Eveready flashlight battery saved their lives. Well, Eveready now has a new battery, an even better battery. It costs a little more than the regular battery, but it lasts longer. It's called the new heavy-duty battery, and that's what it's for. Long, grueling punishment that ordinary batteries just can't stand up to. Look for the new Eveready heavy-duty battery for flashlights, radios, and toys at your nearby Thrifty drug and discount store.
Never been a better time to shop at Thrifty. Check it out.
The Gunner. 93 KHJ.
KHJ. KHJ. We're going to have a $1,000 winner on New Year's Day. Listen for the name of this year's top news tip winner. Man, pretty heavy, man. Break them big stories, win that cash.
Perry's Pizza is tops for you. They've cornered the pizza world, it's true, in the old square pan. It's deliciously Sicilian. You couldn't eat better if you had a million. Eat here when the pizza is perfect, or take out. You know it's Perry's.
Seems like there's a pizza restaurant on every corner. They kind of look alike, pretty much taste alike, and most of them talk about everything but the pizza. Now there are 22 Perry's Pizza locations here in your area. Perry's are different. They concentrate on that good taste of the pizza. They serve that thick, square, Sicilian-style pizza baked in a pan. And once you've tried Perry's Pizza, you'll drive right by those other places and go back to Perry's for their pizza.
By the cup when the pizza is perfect, or by the pan, you know it's Perry's.
Really nice and clear today, man. The Hollywood sign today doesn't look yellow at all. I hiked up to that turkey over the weekend. All the way up there, put my initials on it. Thought I was going to be the first one. Wrong. 45 for the low tonight, 69 downtown, and all right, 68 right here in Hollywood at KHJ.